你吃够了啦?
No.
We could do it tomorrow too. Ooh, okay.
Hey, it's Trey. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a simple Christmas vlog of what my family did over the holidays. We start with celebrating Dongzhi on December 23rd when my mother-in-law made savory and sweet tangren or rice dumplings. Then we got ready for a little family getaway to a nearby city. We played, made gingerbread houses. My brother got this set from Target. Trader Joe's also usually has some cute holiday sets. Had some Shake Shack and California Fish Grill. We toasted some marshmallows. Did a little bit of hiking.
Oh my gosh.
We checked out the local zoo. Witnessed some beautiful and brutal nature. We experienced fall in December since it's finally cooler. Saw some flamingos in trees. Just kidding, they're not actually flamingos. I forgot what they're called. Some shopping at Daiso. Did some crochet while the car is charging. Wow. Saw some Christmas lights. And now we're back home with more feasting with the in-laws. Did some more hiking. My brother's family is from Texas, so they really enjoy the existence of topography here. The nieces also enjoy collecting rocks.
You got me? Yeah.
Arts and crafts at home and at Home Depot. By the way, these Home Depot crafts happen every first Saturday of the month, and you can do them there or you can bring them home. I tried the LUSH henna hair dye and my conclusions are that it didn't work for me, possibly because I had used a hair serum in my hair 2 days prior, and it's also crumbly and messy. If you're interested in it, you should be able to get a sample from LUSH if you ask an associate about it. So while it didn't work for me this time, I'm glad I was able to try it for free. I still have some left, so I might try it again sometime when I haven't had any product on my hair. We did some grilling, played some pickleball. We got some fish tacos and birria enchiladas and a kid's bean and cheese burrito. And had an unfortunate accident before our Frozen and Encanto Disney on Ice show. And that's a quick overview of what we did for the holidays. We don't have any hard set traditions for the holidays coming from an immigrant family, so I'm always curious what other people do. If you have any fun family traditions, please share them below so maybe I can get some ideas and incorporate them into our own family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!